You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the day, the name of this day celebrating the Welsh language. We'll be looking at how to say more Welsh names too. Shwmae Su'mae. Shwmae Su'mae, meaning hi there or hello, essentially hi. Shwmae Su'mae. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.